Welcome to Dirtbike Stereotypes. I'm Kent. And I'm Brenna. That was sick, dude! Sick! I sent that thing, Rosie. I cleared it. That's not how you do it, punk kid. I'll show you how. Why don't you clear a jump? It's easy. Well, there's too much dirt on the jump, and I was in the wrong gear, and there's too many grass clumps on it. I just don't like it. It's fine. I can't do it. My bike's not right for it. Why isn't it starting? It's because you haven't gear. Oh. Yeah! Bro, why did you do some strap?